Our clients come to us when their sales have stalled or even decreased, but they don't know why that has happened nor how to re-energize their sales. Our clients complain that marketing is a cost, not an investment. They often struggle to close deals without giving discounts and complain that closing a sales opportunity seems to take forever. Sales and marketing is not a black art. Our job is to help our clients find out what's gone wrong, help them have the confidence to change, and work with them to ensure that the changes they implement are working. The eureka moment arrives when you appreciate the sale has been made thanks to, or in despite of, all the work that led up to the prospect deciding to buy from you. This leads on to the realization that to increase your sales revenues, you have to increase the quality and the quantity of the sales opportunities that you generate. Our experience from working with clients over many years has identified 7 interdependent variables that, when understood, determines the quality of the sales opportunities created and helps close more of them. Only when you have addressed all of the variables and have them working together will you achieve long-term business success. Your challenge is achieving this by a combination of strategy, which correctly positions your products and services in the market, the correct sales and marketing tactics to create opportunities with prospects who appreciate what you are selling, and focused execution to convert the opportunities to increase your sales and your profits. How do you make sure you are maximizing your opportunities? You could rely on luck to make sure your strategy, tactics, and execution are the best they can be. You could use our capability chart to identify any areas for improvement in your business. Join our CEO Club for peer-to-peer support, range of white papers, and self-help documents. Utilize one of our growth programs to build a platform for success, or simply choose from our range of support services to add impetus to your sales and marketing activities. Make 2011 the year you increase your sales. Contact us now via our website or email us or join the free CEO Club for self-help and have a great year.